This is the speaking test of the International English Language Training System taking place on Saturday, 3rd September 2023 at the Pixel Academy. The candidate is Mariam Wajahat. The candidate number is 051011678. The examiner is Mustafa Khan and the examiner number is 286-77698. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your full name, please?
My full name is Mariam Wajahat, but you can call me Mariam.
Now, in the first part, I would like you to answer some questions about yourself.
Okay.
What is your daily routine?
Well, I just graduated from college, so my daily routine has changed quite a lot. I wake up and then I spend time studying for my entry test and my SAT exam. After that, I relax a little, watch some series or TV shows, and then I spend time with my family, have dinner, and go to sleep.
What do you like to eat for dinner?
Well, I can eat anything. It can be from vegetables to meat, or I don't have a specific preference.
What is your favorite food?
Well, my favorite food has to be French fries. I really like them, and whenever I see them, I have to eat them.
Do you drink a lot of water every day?
Yes, I do my best to drink a lot of water because if I don't, then it affects my skin. So, therefore, I try to drink a lot of water.
If people visit your home, what drink do you offer them?
Well, in Pakistan, it's kind of a tradition to offer tea if anyone visits your home. However, if it's a very hot day outside, we tend to just give them something cold to drink, like a cold drink, soft drinks, so that they would feel better.
Okay, this is the end of part one. Now we'll give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay,
Before you talk, I will give you 1 minute to think about it.
okay.
You can make some notes if you wish. Here's a pen and a piece of paper. At the end of the 2 minutes, I will inform you to stop talking. The topic is what are the most visited places in your country? Your 1 minute starts now. Your 1 minute has ended.
Okay, so Pakistan is mostly famous for its northern areas, and tourists mostly like to visit those northern areas. We have cities like Naran Kahan, Gilgit Baltistan over there, and great places like Jheel Saiful Maluk, which is considered as one of the beauties, Ansu Jheel, and as well as Pak China border, which interests many people to go and visit there. Then, if we come to the cities first, we'll talk about Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. It is one of the most modern cities in the world. It has Faisal Mosque, which is visited by many Muslims throughout the year, and it is one of the most beautiful mosques in the whole world. With Islamabad, there are hill stations like Mari, Nathia Gali, Donga Gali, Ayubia. They're open like every month of the year, and anyone can visit them in winters or in summers. And the weather there is quite like cold and chilly, so therefore people quite like to visit it a lot. Tourists, even the people who live in Pakistan. Then we also have Lahore. Lahore takes you back in, I don't know, 200 years back into the Mughal era. And you go there and you can feel it, and you can learn a lot about the history of Pakistan. We also have Minar Pakistan there in Lahore, and Wagah border, which people visit. That's the border that attaches Pakistan with India. So, and then we have Karachi, which has like one of the biggest ports. People like to visit it also.
Good. Now let's start with part 3. What kind of monuments the tourists in your country like to visit?
Well, we have a few monuments, but one of the important is Hiran Minar. It was a Mughal emperor built it for his deer, so it has a very interesting history, and people like to visit it. Then we also have Minar-e-Pakistan, which of course tells you about the history of Pakistan. So I guess, in my opinion, these two are the most visited monuments.
Why do you think there are statues of famous people in public places?
Well, I think the major reason why we have statues of famous people is to remember them, is to know about them, because they play a big role in our history. So, therefore, to know about them, and when you see those statues, you have this thing to learn about them. So, it is a sign of remembrance.
Do you think that all the monuments and buildings should always be preserved?
Of course, they should always be preserved because monuments or buildings, they tell you about history. Like, for example, here in Minar, it's a monument and it has a very like fun history behind it. Like, if it is not preserved, then people won't know about it. Same as with, Badshahi Masjid in Lahore. You go there, you feel the times that the Mughals have spent there. So I think it is very important to preserve those buildings.
Thank you very much. This is the end of your speaking test. Have a nice day.